guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing really good. So today we are going to see something usual, mandatory food. So rice is something which we always use for our food. So for lunch, specifically people who lives in India, Sri Lanka, the Tamil people, even Sinhala people, they love to eat rice. So today we are going to see how to make ghee rice. So ghee rice is bit different. It will be like kind of frying. We are going to add the ghee to rice and going to add some spices and make it more spicy. So it won't be that spicy, it will be very tasty. So let's see how we are going to make this ghee rice in this video. First, you have to heat a pan or vessel. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. And then we are going to add 2 to 3 cardamom, and then cinnamon, and then 2 to 3 cloves. It's good to add these spices because it smells really good. And then now we have to add ½ inch of ginger. We should chop it. And now we have to add 3 green chilies. We have to slice it, and then we have to cut it into long, and then we have to add it. And then we have to add 15 to 20 raisins. And then we are going to add 10 to 15 cashew nuts. And then we are going to give it a nice mix. Then it's time to add chopped onions. You have to chop 2 onions. Actually, you have to slice it and you have to add it. And it's time for a pinch of salt, which is a good seasoning. You have to add salt to all of your food, but not too much. And now it's time to add our basmati rice. So you have to add 1 cup of basmati rice, and now it's time to mix all these ingredients together. And now you have to add 2 cups of water. You can see this is how we are doing it, and we are going to let it boil for some time. So give it a good mix because it needs a good mix. And then close the lid and let it cook for medium flame for 10 minutes. And see, now we are opening the lid and it's really good, in a very good texture. So you can see the color of the rice and it smells really good. So now it's time to add this ghee rice in a plate. So you have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 15 to 20 raisins, and then you have to fry it. So you can see that it's popping out and it's coming bigger. And you have to add the raisins to this ghee rice. And now we are going to fry the cashew nuts. So you can add 15 to 20, that's better. Even if you want more, you can add more. And we are going to add that to this recipe. So in this video we saw how to make ghee rice. So many of us might have tried rice with curries, and even I said as with sambals, and because normally I have seen my Sinhala friends, they used to eat rice with sambal. So me, and as a Tamil, I used to eat rice with curry. So it's something different when it comes to ghee and curd rice. So we saw how to make this ghee rice today. So do try it at your home and let us know how it turned out. And drop your comments. Drop your favorite dishes to us and let us know what we have to do on our next video. See you on next video, but before that, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. See you on next video. Until then, good day.